Alright guys, welcome back to the channel. Emergency meeting, baby. Alright guys, welcome back to the channel. My name is BeDistinct. Welcome back to the channel. A lot of you guys who are following the channel, you guys probably thought that I was gonna go ahead and install the resonator in this G35. You guys know we're trying to refine the car. That's gonna come very shortly here, upcoming soon. The only reason I'm putting this video is first because an article came out yesterday releasing some Nissan Z pricing, and I wanted to go ahead and let you guys know, what do you guys think? Now before I go ahead and begin this video, go ahead and give this video a thumbs up and comment down below, what did you guys think? And also, if you guys need any help with home purchases or refinances or any kind of lending help, your boy just became a loan officer, so if you need any help of that sort, my email is down in the description down below. Email me any questions that you may have and I'll be there to answer it. So without further ado, let's begin this video. So earlier this year, April 25th to be exact, 2022, before pricing was released and whatnot, motor1.com, here I can put it right here for you guys, they released an article talking about the Nissan Z and price speculation and whatnot, and they mentioned that in Japan the Nissan Z was going to start around 41,000 US dollars, continued with 50,000 for the performance spec and 54 for the proto, right? That was actually pretty spot on, because yesterday Car and Driver released a new article talking about the 2023 Nissan Z has a starting price of $41,000 and $15. That's kind of odd. $15, was that oil change? Nah. But $41,000, right, for the base one. $12,000 less than a base cylinder Toyota Supra. And there was a lot of price speculation. Some people were even say that it was gonna start as little as $35,000, which would have been an amazing price point. But we have also received confirmation from the Nissan Z Instagram webpage. Somebody commented on one of their Nissan posts. This is for Nissan USA. You guys can go ahead and check it out. On one of their posts, they said, what's going to be the MSRP for the Nissan Z? What's going to be? And Nissan commented themselves, right? They said, our 2023 Z is expected to have an MSRP starting around $40,000. A member of our team will happily reach out to you closer to the vehicle's on-sale date when more information is available. Thank you for your interest. So we have received confirmation from Nissan USA that it is indeed the base model going to start around $40,000. Now, you guys know how dealerships work and all that. They're probably going to mark this car up. But let's say ideally they do and they mark this up $10,000. That's already $51,000 for the base. That's $61,000 for the performance. I don't know about that. If the Nissan Z is $60,000, that's gonna be a hard buy. That's gonna be a hard buy. I don't know. It is a new car. It's never been released before. It's a new design and everything. And I mean, obviously the engine is from the Q50 and Q60 Red Sports and whatnot. But $60,000, that's a lot of money, man. Like, the Supra is such a good price point for $60K. I would even go a little bit extra. The G80 M3s have been absolutely blowing my mind lately. They're amazing cars. Also, some of the differences that we can expect between like the base to performance, like what's the $10,000 difference? I think one of the options is that you get better material options for like your interior. You get to choose leather instead of just the fabric. You get upgraded brakes, because I'm pretty sure the base is gonna have just your standard like 350Z brakes or whatever, you know, just the standard ones. But with the performance, you're gonna get the Akebonos upgraded big brake kit. You're gonna get better tires. You're gonna get bigger wheels. I believe the base will probably be like 18, and then the performance will probably be 19s or something. They even set a limited slip differential. So from the performance to the proto, I believe the only main big difference is that you get forged 19-inch wheels, right? From the performance to the proto, you get those signature bronze wheels on that yellow Nissan Z. Plus you get additional accents and additional Proto Z badging to make sure people know you are in the Proto Z Nissan Z, not the performance, not the base, the Proto. Okay, so it's just some of the differences. Now I'm debating, right? Do we get the base? Like, do we get the base and then just buy Akebonos big brake kit, or do we just shoot for the performance one? Honestly, I would just shoot for the performance one. It has a limited slip differential, better tires already, because I hear that this new Nissan Z like literally spins through first gear, so that's pretty ridiculous. So some better tires are needed. If they mark that up from 51,000 to 60,000, ooh, that's gonna gonna be a hard buy. Like later this year on that same article, they actually hyperlinked to another article saying that later in the 2023 Toyota Supra release this year, it's gonna be released in a manual form. I know you guys been seeing it on Instagram and thrown out there, but it's official. They're gonna release the manual Supra in their 2023 version. So that'll be pretty freaking sweet too. So we'll see. But what are your thoughts? What do you guys think, man? Do you guys think 60,000 is gonna be good for a Nissan Z? Let me know. Is it gonna be even higher? 65, 70,000? What do you guys think? Anyways, guys, I'm not gonna make this video any longer. I'm gonna go ahead, go to work right now, and then we're gonna go ahead and install the resonator on the G35 and see how the exhaust sounds. I'm really excited for that video, so that'll be coming up super shortly. Alright guys, well I'll catch you guys next video. Don't forget to comment down below. What are your thoughts on the new Nissan Z pricing? What do you guys think it's gonna go up to with the markups, especially here in California? Because I even seen some RAV4s being marked up crazy. Imagine a Nissan Z. Anyways, let me know what you guys think. I'll catch you guys next episode. Peace out, guys.